So I worked with an organization called F.R.E.E. International, and F.R.E.E. stands for Find, Restore, Embrace, Empower. Their mission is to work with local law enforcement, community organizations like churches and schools and social workers to track down and find missing kids and people who are otherwise vulnerable targets for human trafficking. So specifically, F.R.E.E. International focuses in the U.S., and that's because the U.S. is one of the top 3 countries for human trafficking in the world. One of the most vulnerable demographics for trafficking are minors, children, especially those who have gotten lost in the foster system or who, for whatever reasons, come from a really broken home and have run away. It can be a very vulnerable demographic. For me, I know that one of my strongest skill sets is what I can do from behind a keyboard. I was able to offer my skills as a graphic designer. I helped design marketing collateral for one of their specific events that they do. They have an event called The Big Search, and The Big Search is where they'll go into a city, they'll help train a local team of volunteers, and they'll do a big canvassing search where they show pictures of missing children, and this is where they're working with the local law enforcement and other churches and local nonprofits and social workers and that sort of thing. They'll organize and they'll literally go out and they'll look. A lot of the times, people who are trafficked can easily go missing simply because nobody's looking for them. Graphic design and marketing material is stuff that we interact with every day, and it can make a really big difference on how people choose to spend their attention. A well-designed social media post, a well-designed website, these are all things that can really help people give their attention, kind of grease the wheels for them giving their time. And I thought I might be able to make a bigger impact working from home than by going in person somewhere. Because rather than some of the $5,000 that PT gives going towards helping me get there, it can all go and help this cause. Awareness and local action is a really powerful tool in helping to combat that. And F.R.E.E. International is an amazing organization out there doing that kind of work, but they're not the only organization out there doing this kind of work, which is really cool to think that there's more people out there doing this, and the more the better.